Today we celebrate freedom. We wave our flag with pride, we sing our national anthem with joy. But have we ever stopped to ask ourselves, what was the cost of this freedom?
This freedom was not written with ink. It was written with tears, with blood, with courage, and with countless sacrifices. Come, let us travel back in time and witness the journey of our motherland.
I am Bharat Mata. I gave birth to millions, yet today my children cry. My rivers have witnessed blood, my fields have witnessed sorrow. Foreign rulers have chained my people. Who will come to wipe away my tears?
This land belongs to the British Empire. Heavy taxes, no freedom, no rights. Anyone who dares to speak will be punished.
Sir, we have no food. The crops have failed. Please reduce the tax.
Silence. Whether you eat or starve, you will pay.
How long must we suffer? Even our children are hungry. Ma, why are we slaves in our own country? When will we be free?
Don't lose hope. Whenever darkness spreads, heroes are born.
ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಅಹಂಕಾರವನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಕತ್ತಿಯ ಘರ್ಜನೆಯಿಂದ ನಡುಗಿಸಿದ ವೀರರಾಣಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ.
ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ.
Pay the taxes.
ಏನು ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆ? ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಬ್ಬು ತಿನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕೂಲಿಯನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆ? ಮೋಡ ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನಮ್ಮವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಿರ, ಬಿತ್ತಿರ, ನೀರು ಹಾಯಿಸಿ ನಾಟಿ ನೆಟ್ಟಿರ, ಹೊರೆ ಹೊತ್ತಿರ, ದಣಿದವರಿಗೆ ಅಂಬಲಿ ಕಾಯಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನೀವೇನು ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರೇ, ನೆಂಟರೇ, ಇಷ್ಟರೇ, ದಾಯಾದಿಗಳೇ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ಕಿತ್ತೂರಿನ ರಾಣಿಯ ಎದುರು ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೇಳುವವರ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಸೀಳಿ ಹೋದಿತು.
My brave daughter, though history remembers only a few, your courage lit the first spark of resistance.
With her infant tied to her back and a blade forged in furry, she didn't just fight an empire, she tore right through it. Make a way for ultimate lioness of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai.
मैं झांसी की रानी हूँ. मैं कभी आत्मसमर्पण नहीं करूँगी, चाहे मृत्यु मेरे सामने ही क्यों ना खड़ी है. मैं अपनी मातृभूमि की रक्षा करूँगी. वे सोचते हैं कि एक स्त्री कमज़ोर होती है, वे गलत है. मैं एक माँ हूँ, एक रानी हूँ और आज एक योद्धा हूँ. मेरा अंतिम सांस तक झांसी की रक्षा करूँगी. झांसी उसकी जनता की है, मैं अपने लिए नहीं लड़ रही हूँ. मैं हर उस भारतीय बच्ची के भविष्य के लिए लड़ रही हूँ. मैं झांसी नहीं दूंगी.
Your kingdom now belongs to the Britain.
Your bravery became the heartbeat of every daughter of India.
At an age when most dreamt of life, he smiled at death for the sake of his motherland. The fearless son of India whose spirit can never be imprisoned. Shahid Bhagat Singh.
Some dream of living long. I dream of dying for my country. Freedom demands sacrifice. If my death awaken millions, then my life has meaning.
Bhagat Singh, you will be hanged.
You may kill me, but you can't kill my ideas. Inqilab Zindabad.
My son, a mother never wishes to lose her child. Yet today, I salute your sacrifice.
His voice ignited a revolution, and his courage inspired a nation. Welcome the great Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Give me blood, and I promise you freedom. Freedom is never begged for. It is earned. Rise, stand, and fight for India.
We are ready for our motherland, for our future, for Bharat Mata.
Every soldier who fought gave me another heartbeat.
India, your courage cannot be defeated. Your unity is stronger than our power. Today, Britain leaves India.
After centuries, my chains are broken, but freedom is not the end. It is a responsibility. Protect it, respect it, and never let hatred divide my children again.
We may not fight with swords, but we fight ignorance through education. We protect nature because India belongs to future generations too. We respect every religion. We honor every soldier.
We never forget our freedom fighters.
We protect our country by being honest citizens. We promise to make our India stronger.
We keep our surroundings clean.
Today, I do not ask you to sacrifice your lives. I ask you to live with values, study sincerely, respect others, protect the nation. That is how freedom survives.
The heroes we honor today did not dream of a divided nation. They dreamed of an India filled with peace, respect, unity, and hope. Now, that dream rests in our hands.
Freedom is not merely the absence of chains, it is the presence of responsibility. Every generation must protect the freedom that another generation earned.
As long as the soldier stands at the border, India will stand strong. We don't fight for a piece of land. And my last breath will echo only one name, Bharat. Please rise and stand in attention for our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
And now, before we conclude this journey of courage, sacrifice and patriotism, let us introduce the young performers who brought these inspiring characters to life. Miss Hemacharita as Mother India, Miss Manvi as Kittur Rani Channamma, Miss Lakshya as Narrator 1, Miss Rachana as Narrator 2, Miss Kshema as Rani Lakshmi Bhai, Master Manvit as Subhash Chandra Bose, Master Harshit as Bhagat Singh, Master Melville as British officer, Master Vrishabh as Indian soldier, Master Yakshit and Master Ritvik as British soldiers. And our wonderful students, Miss Nivya, Miss Srinidhi, Miss Dhriti, Master Nihan, Miss Geeta Priya and Master Lakshay. Let us put our hands together for all our talented performers who made this journey through India's freedom struggle come alive. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.